Okay, so we're going to be talking about 3D figures and nets. Okay, so we've already started talking about 3D figures, but what happens when we open them up? So if you took a cereal box is just like a 3D figure, well, it is a 3D figure, I'm sorry, but when we open it up, it forms a shape, and that's a two-dimensional pattern. So in this case, this is what that would look like. Okay, if we had a Toblerone, when we open it up and we unfold it, because this is a triangular prism, you would have the 3 rectangles and 2 triangles for your bases. If we had a pyramid, this is what it looks like. If we had a cone and we kind of unpeeled everything, the base is a circle, and then remember how we talked about how it kind of looks like a triangle, but it's more of a fan shape? If I did a cube, it looks like this. It could also have some variations where maybe the sides are somewhere else on it. This is a cylinder, which we've talked about. It's got 2 circles as bases, and when we peel off the can of a soup label, it becomes a rectangle. Okay? Now, if you have a figure that is made up of 4 triangles, what do you think it is? This is where it could become very interesting. Okay, good. So it could be a triangular pyramid. Okay, could it be anything else? Let's see if I can make this a little bit lighter. No, because you're going to have 4 triangles to make up your faces, or 3 triangles to make up the faces, and a triangle to make up the base. Now it has a figure that has 2 bases that are rectangles. Good, it is probably a rectangular prism. Okay, now looking at this figure, what is it? We've got 2 circles, which means your bases are circles, and then it's a rectangle. Very good, this is a cylinder. Very good. Okay, now let's talk about the base plan versus the top view as a review. So if we were to do the base plan of this, my guess is that what it's going to look like, and this is, like I said, where it can be kind of tricky sometimes, is we're going to have 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it looks like there's 2 here. What do you guys think? Yeah? Okay. And then we have 1 high, and then we have 2 high, and then we'll end up with 3 blocks high. And so this would be the base plan. Okay? Now let's think about our top view again. Is it going to be very similar? Yes, it's actually going to be almost the same. Actually, what's going to be different though? What do you think would be different between the top view and the base plan? See if I can make this a little bit neater. Good. It won't have the numbers because the base plan tells us how high they are. With our top view, it doesn't tell us that information. It just gives us the shapes. Very good. Okay, if you have questions, let me know.